Flashing dashboard lights are your car's way of demanding immediate attention. Unlike solid warning lights, flashing lights indicate active system malfunctions that require prompt action. There are three main types of flashing patterns you might encounter. Continuous flashing indicates critical system failures like engine misfires. Intermittent flashing often suggests sensor malfunctions or loose connections. Some older vehicles use specific flash sequences as error codes. The most common causes of flashing dashboard lights include engine misfires, which create continuous flashing patterns, sensor malfunctions that may cause intermittent flashing, and loose electrical connections that can trigger various warning systems. Ignoring flashing dashboard lights can lead to severe consequences. What starts as a minor issue can quickly escalate into major engine damage, costly repairs, or even dangerous driving conditions. Statistics show that addressing warning lights immediately can save hundreds of dollars in repair costs. When dashboard lights start flashing, proper troubleshooting can save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs. The key is using the right diagnostic tools and knowing which problems require immediate attention. The first step in troubleshooting any dashboard warning is using an OBD2 scanner. These diagnostic tools retrieve specific error codes that tell you exactly what's wrong. Consumer-grade scanners cost under $50, and many smartphone apps can read basic codes. The check engine light is the most common dashboard warning. It can indicate dozens of different problems, but three causes account for over half of all cases. 28% of check engine lights are caused by faulty oxygen sensors. These sensors monitor exhaust gases and help optimize fuel mixture. Replacement typically costs between $150 and $300. 15% of cases are simply a loose gas cap. This breaks the fuel system seal and triggers emissions warnings. The solution is free. Just tighten the cap until it clicks several times. 12% involve catalytic converter problems. This emissions control device can fail due to engine misfires or contaminated fuel. These issues require professional diagnosis and can be expensive to repair. Oil pressure warnings require immediate action. A flashing oil light means your engine could seize within minutes. Stop the engine immediately, then check the oil level. If it's low, add oil. If the level is normal, the oil pump may have failed. Call for professional service. Battery and charging system warnings indicate alternator or battery problems. Test the battery voltage. It should read 12.6 volts when the engine is off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. Also, check for loose connections and drive belt issues. Understanding priority levels saves money and prevents breakdowns. Red warning lights require immediate action. Stop driving and address the problem. Yellow lights mean schedule service within a week. Addressing issues promptly costs an average of $200, while ignoring warnings leads to repairs averaging $600 or more.